Hey everyone, and welcome back. Slow response times hurt customer satisfaction. Let me show you how to improve them in Zendesk. First, set up SLAs. Go to Admin Center and set targets for first reply. Tickets at risk get flagged automatically. Next, use triggers to assign tickets instantly. Route tickets to the right group based on issue type. Create urgent views like Cell A at risk, so agents tackle what matters most. Use macros for speed. One click fills the reply and updates ticket fields. Enable AnswerBot to suggest help center articles before tickets reach your agents. Customers get instant answers. Track first reply time and explore. Spot trends and coach agents who need help. Use round-robin assignments so no single agent gets overloaded. And that's it. With SLAs, triggers, macros, and self-service, you can cut response times and keep customers happy. If you improved your response time, let me know what worked best in the comments. See you in the next one.